Ikaw na mag-video.
Dear administrators, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates, a pleasant and blessed afternoon. It is indeed very heartwarming to behold each one of us as we grace this much-awaited ceremony with smiles evident on our faces. It's a great pleasure to embrace the feeling of warmth, hope, love, and even the excitement. It's a great pleasure to embrace the feeling of warmth and feel that this occasion let us savor to the fullest. I understand very well the similar feeling of the most of us cannot contain at the moment. The fervor and enthusiasm that run through our nerves as we imagine how it feels to be called a bona fide graduate. So now, my fellow graduates, commendable parents, relatives and friends, I am very grateful that I have been given the privilege to formally welcome you to the Tulilan College's pre-elementary and elementary graduation rite. May we all be joyfully motivated to strive and persevere for insurmounting hurdles and optimistically paving the way to more success in life. My warmest welcome and God bless us all.